but in all kinds of weather we really don't all stick together. When I'm at UF, I don't feel like I'm a Florida Gator, but when I leave UF, I feel like I'm a Gator. I think it's because not everybody here knows that the university has problematic roots.
And they are afraid to touch issues of race because it brings up ugly things, because we don't want to talk too candidly about our past, and it makes us look very critically at us as a society.
The University of Florida does not give us things. All of these things were fought for. La Casita, IBC were fought for. And this kind of goes into the bigger picture. The United States doesn't give us things.
Good morning.
People of color for generations in history have fought for their own liberation, for their voices to be heard.
When I first started at UF, when I walked in a casita, it felt amazing.
Ahí había un foco, un sitio que ellos podían decir que era de ellos, donde entendían su cultura, donde ellos se sentían como en su casa, no en un edificio de la universidad.
The currency of this work is not money, it's trust. It's our students' trust, right? And if we have no currency, then we can't do anything.
It's all rhetoric and bullshit.
Let's be clear that we stand in solidarity to continue this meeting and to remain quiet here while we continue the business. We're a part of the business. This is our institute. The decision should lie with us.
We are just the microcosm of the macrocosm. So this is just a time where if we are not pushing forward, things are going to be taken.